What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I do love this case, but this case do have a downfall in which I wasn't thinking about. Now, y'all know the charger port down here, right? And I do a lot of content with this phone now. And in order to hook up my lavalier mic, I need to buy special stuff. So with this case, you do get your glass shields to protect your screen, in which I didn't get those with my last case. They give you stickers, little Cupid's arrow. All right, there you go. Cupid's arrow. They give you a donkey. I guess it's a donkey. Pony and an ice cream. I don't know. Maybe it's a cartoon. I don't know what it means, okay? But for the main course, we want to get into this. All right, so you do get a glass, and this is thick. Very thick. It looks like a privacy screen. Yeah, it's a privacy screen, you guys. Oh, this is cool. I never had a privacy screen before, so you can see that it turns dark as soon as you turn it. So if somebody has to actually be right on you. But if you have your screen, it's not too much of a privacy screen because, I mean, I can see it here. If I step to the side, I still can see. Maybe it'll tell you by the degrees. I'll post it to show you the degrees of the privacy on it. But I didn't really buy it for the privacy screen, you guys. But privacy screen is pretty cool, right? All right, so that's it with that. I'll do that later. I might not even do it, to be honest with y'all. I'm not really into the privacy screen. Don't really care about it. But you have another screen right here. And this, another privacy? Oh, no, this is a regular screen. It's a regular screen. It seemed like privacy screen too. This is a privacy. Oh, they give you two privacy screens? Wow. For the price of this, that's not bad, you guys. All right, so this privacy screen is not as strong as the other privacy screen. Let me see. It seems, it's about the same. All right, now we have the main course. All right. And this case is very nice. And as you can see, there's not a lot that's protecting the bottom right there. So what I'm going to do is pop this out. Hopefully I don't break my phone. All right. And we're going to pop this one in. All right. And I have to say, nice and light, you guys. I'm actually going to be using this case more often. But I do, man, I don't know. I'm going to have both of these on the dresser and be like, which one I'm going to use today? All right, anyways. But this is a pretty cool case, you guys, and it protects the lens very nice. So that's good. But the thing with the old one is, if I was on my lunch break at work, I could watch a movie like this or a YouTube video. All right. So the main reason why I got this, so I can hook this up nice and easy, and it hooks right on up. So if I want to hook this lavalier mic up, it hooks up very nice and easy, you guys. You see? And that's about it. So this case is awesome. I'm gonna think about putting this privacy screen on because I don't really care about the privacy screen, to be honest with you, but I would like a protector screen on there. That would be very nice. So I'll see what I'm gonna do. All right, you guys. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.